Dear friends, in class 7 we have 4 chapters simple equation and we are studying exercise 4.4. In exercise 4.4 we have third example. Solve the following. In that sub question, first sub question is Irfan says he has 7 marbles more than 5 times marbles the Parmeet has. So we will have to first decide the Parmeet's marbles with the Parmeet. So let the marbles Parmeet had dx. Now 5 times the marbles, 5 times the marbles is equal to 5x. Now Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more. So 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles that Parmeet has. So marbles with Irfan is equal to 5x plus 7. That is 7 more than 5 times the marbles that Parmeet had. Now Irfan has 37 marbles. We are given that Irfan has 37 marbles. So marbles with Irfan is 5x plus 7 and marbles with Irfan are, but it is given as 37. It means, so therefore the equation becomes 5x plus 7 is equal to 37. Now we have already studied how to solve. So in order to find the value of x, we will have to first eliminate 7 because this term does not contain x. So transpose 7 to RHS. So you will get 5x is equal to 37 minus 7. Please note here 7 was positive, so after transposing it has become negative. So 5x is equal to 37 minus 7 is 30. Now divide both sides. Divide both sides of equation. By 5. So you will get 5x upon 5 is equal to 30 upon 5. So this 5 eliminates with this. 5 6s are 30. So x is equal to 6. Now we are asked how many marbles does the Parmeet have. So here we are taken marbles with Parmeet as x and we have got x is equal to 6. Therefore we can say that Parmeet have 6 marbles. Dear friends, we have second sub question. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is Lakshmi's age? So let solution you can write as given in the question itself. The age of father is 49 years. Now Lakshmi's age is not given to us, so let Lakshmi's age be. X years. 3 times Lakshmi's age. 3 times Lakshmi's age is equal to 3x. Now 4 years older than 3 times. So 4 years older than 3 times. 3 times her age will be equal to 3x plus 4. Understand this? 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. This is the age of father. But we are given that it is 49 years. So, as per given, we can equate this as per given. 3x plus 4 is equal to 49. Now it is very easy to solve. Transpose 4 to right hand side, because this term does not contain variable. So when you transpose 4 to the right hand side, positive will become negative. So transpose 4 to RHS. So this is equal to 3x is equal to 49 minus 4. 49 minus 4 is 45. Now we have got 3x is equal to 45. Divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3. Both sides by 3. So you will get 3x upon 3 is equal to 45 upon 3. So this becomes x is equal to 15. Now x was Lakshmi's age, and we asked the same question. So therefore Lakshmi's age is 15 years. Or you can say Lakshmi is 15 years old. Dear friends, we have next example. People of Sundargram planted trees in the village garden. Some of the trees were fruit trees. The number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. What was the number of fruit trees planted if the number of non-fruit trees planted was 77? So you can understand the question. Name of the village was Sundargarh, and they planted some fruit trees and non-fruit trees. Out of that, they have given the relation. The number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. So let us split the sentence first. It is, we are not given, we ask what is the number of fruit trees. So number of fruit trees is not given. So let the number of fruit trees be x. Let us split the sentence and try to write this. So number of fruit trees is not given. Let number of fruit trees be x. Now 3 times the number of fruit trees. So 3 times the number. 3 times the number is equal to 3 into x, that is 3x. We are also given 2 more than 3 times. So 2 more than 3 times the number is 2 more than 3 times the number. 3 times the number is equal to 3x plus 2. So the number of non-fruit trees are 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. So we are given this is the number of non-fruit trees. So number of non-fruit trees is equal to 3x plus 2. But we are given this number as 77. Number of non-fruit trees planted was 77. But it is given as 77. Therefore equation is 3x plus 2 is equal to 77. Now we know how to solve the equation. Transpose to the right hand side. This side it is positive. When it is transposed, it will become negative. So 3x is equal to transpose 2 to RHS. So it will be 3x is equal to 77 minus 2. Now 77 minus 2 is 75. We have got the equation 3x is equal to 75. Now we know how to eliminate 3. Here 3 is multiplying. So to eliminate 3, we need to divide both sides by 3. So divide both sides of equation by 3. Divide both sides of equation. by 3. So you will get 3x upon 3 is equal to 75 upon 3. It means x is equal to, this 3 eliminates this, 75 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, 1 5 left, 3 5s are 15. So it is 25. X is number of fruit trees. And we asked the same question, what was the number of fruit trees planted? So thus number of fruit trees planted were 25. Thus number of fruit trees planted were 25.